Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Codes. In this video, I'll explain you to find the Fibonacci series. First, I'll explain the Fibonacci series, then I'll go to the program. So the first and second number of Fibonacci series are 0 and 1. To find the next number, we need to add the previous two numbers, that is 0 plus 1, that is 1. Next number is 1 plus 1, that is 2. The next number is 1 plus 2, that is 3. Next number 2 plus 3, 5. And the next number 3 plus 5, that is 8. Likewise it goes. So let's get into the program. First, I initialized 5 integer variables I, num, f1, f2. Next, initialized f1 equal to 0 and f2 equal to 1. Now I ask the user to enter the limit, and let's say the user had given the limit as 5. So what it means is that it will print up to 5 numbers. Now we are going for a for loop which starts with 0 and less than num. So here it is less than 5 and I is incremented. So the statement inside this for loop will execute 5 times. Now I will explain with 3 variables, that is f1 and f2 and last next. We know the value of f1. I initially given it as 0 and f2 is equal to 1, and we don't know the value of next right now. Now we are going for the first statement inside the loop, that is printing f1's value. So f1 we know it as 0 at the beginning, so it will print 0. Now it will go to the next statement, that is next equal to f1 plus f2. So f1 is 0, f2 is 1, so 0 plus 1, that is 1 itself. Now f1 equal to f2. Now the value of f1 is changed, that is the value inside this f2 will be given to f1. So this one will be given to f1. So this 0 is changed to 1, and f2 is equal to next. So the value of f2 is changed to next, that is this one will be given to f2, that is same one itself. Now we are going for the second loop execution, that is the first statement. We are printing the f1 value, that is this one value 1 is printed. Now next equal to f1 plus f2, that is 1 plus 1. So the next value is changed to 2, and f1 is equal to f2. So the value of f2 is given to f1. So 1 is given to f1. So again this one itself. Now f2 is equal to next. So the value of next is given to f2. So it will be 2. Now we are going for the third execution. So we are printing the f1 value. f1 is 1. Now next equal to f1 plus f2. f1 is 1, f2 is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Next value is 3. Now f1 equal to f2. So the value of f2 is given to f1. So 2 is given to f1. Now f2 is equal to next. So the value of next is given to f2. So it is 3. Now we are going for the fourth execution, that is first printing the value of f1. f1 is 2. Now next equal to f1 plus f2. So next is changed to 5. f1 equal to f2. So this 3 is given to f1. 3. Now f2 is equal to next. So 5 is given to f2. Now we are going for the last execution, printing the value of f1. f1 is 3. Now next equal to f1 plus f2, that is 8. Now f1 equal to f2, that is 5. f2 equal to next, that is 8. So that's about this execution of this loop. We have executed 5 times. So the value that we got is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now let's run this program. Enter the limit. Let's give the limit as 5. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Let's change the limit to 10. So it will print the 10 numbers. So that's all about this program, and if you got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you.